Hi everyone, I'm Stella. Today I'm going to show you how to create a high-efficiency summary of an English passage. The goal is to help you understand the text and confidently share its key ideas and values in English. We'll walk through 5 simple steps together. You can find the full article in the video description. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the title. The title is The Day I Broke the Rules. From this, we can guess the story is about a special experience when the writer chose not to follow some rules. Step 2. Learn the key vocabulary. Here are some useful words.
1. Battle. 2. Terminal. 3. Fulfilling. 4. Prohibit. 5. Empathy. 6. Convey. 7. Faint. 8. Fragile. 9. Confine. 10. Wrench. 11. Glimmer. 12. Regulation. 13. Insignificant. 14. Genuine. 15. Transcend. 16. Recount. 17. Compassion. 18. Imprint.
Step 3. Read paragraph by paragraph and identify the main idea. Paragraph 1. The writer worked as Ronald McDonald, visiting seriously ill children in a hospital to bring joy and smiles. Paragraph 2. There were strict rules forbidding entering rooms alone in costume or physical contact to avoid frightening children or spreading germs. Paragraph 3. One day, the writer met a fragile boy named Billy who asked for a hug despite the rules. Paragraph 4. The writer broke the rules by hugging Billy, seeing that some things like kindness and hope go beyond regulations. Paragraph 5. After Billy passed away, his mother thanked the writer, sharing how much the hug meant to Billy. This showed the power of compassion even in hard times. Step 4. Combine the main ideas into a clear summary. The writer had a special role as Ronald McDonald, visiting sick children in the hospital to cheer them up. There were many rules to keep the children safe, like no hugs or entering rooms alone in costume. One day, a fragile boy named Billy quietly asked for a hug. Despite the rules, the writer gave him one, feeling that kindness and hope were more important. Billy's mother later thanked the writer, saying Billy felt happy because he got that hug. This story reminds us that compassion can make a lasting impact, even in the hardest moments. Step 5. Practice and upload your work. Once you finish your summary, read it aloud to build fluency. Then, record your reading. You can upload your recording to Beyond Norm to receive feedback and continue improving. Join our training program, and you too can confidently share article summaries in English. Just like the students at Beyond Norm. Ready to level up your English skills? Click the link below and let the transformation begin.
Beyond Norm is a language institute established in Taiwan that trains young interpreters.